Hello everyone, Enrico from ClickTrust here. So in this video, I want to show you 3 cool tricks on how to make your Google Looker Studio dashboard look better, cleaner, and more dynamic. So number 1, how to have both year-on-year and period-on-period comparison on the same page. So if you know Google Looker Studio, you'll know that there's no option to have both matrix one next to the other, which I think is really good to compare the matrix and the data at first glance. So what we're gonna do to have them one next to the other is, we're gonna duplicate our metric here, and then I'm gonna send this guy to the back. Delete it, to the back, and this one I'm gonna move it here all the way down. It's very simple, but it's gonna make a huge difference. And here I'm gonna have comparison to the previous period. I'm gonna insert a text box. I'm gonna insert a text box here. Year on year. I'm gonna make it this one. Well, I'm gonna delete it for now, but you get the point. It's just for the sake of showing you how this is gonna play out. I'm gonna put it like here, and then let's just do it for cost. Tuck, 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 and here you go. And now you have now you have your comparison here immediately visible at first glance. You can make it look better, obviously. You can have it for your metric, but I think it's already cool to see this immediately. Number 2, how to make page cross filtering possible using the graphs. So here, if I'm in view mode and I click on any point on my graph, nothing happens. The only option that I have is selecting the date range, which actually sometimes it can be quite annoying because you have to go and select it yourself. But if I, for example, if I enable cross filtering on my graph here, look at what happens when I'm in view mode. So I'm gonna do the same as I did before, but just gonna select all this date range, and boom, it's gonna filter all the data on my page. It's pretty cool. Number 3, how to have a better comparison based on naming convention. So as you see here, I have the ad name, but I might as well have the campaign name, and obviously I have a lot of stuff in here. But what I just want to see the comparison between a static and a video. Obviously, number 1, you always want to have a good naming convention. So let's start by assuming that you have a good naming convention, and I want to compare video and static, but I could be comparing, like, promotion versus no promotion, summer promotions versus winter promotion, and remember, naming convention. So let's say static versus dynamic. All I want to do here, I can create I can say static slash video, not dynamic, sorry, what am I saying? And I just want to create a case function here and just say when regex contains, as I said before, now we're gonna do the ad with the ad name, but I can as well do the same for the campaign. Static, then write static, duplicate it here, and just say when it contains video. When it contains video, then write video, else leave it empty and end it. Okay, here as you can see, I have video and static. I can immediately compare the performance between the two. I have an empty gap here, but it's just because these are dummy data. But again, you can do this with your campaign. You can do with anything you want, just if you want to have like a clear, immediate comparison. If you're interested in improving your dashboarding skill, check out our training on dashboarding at clicktrust.be. Thank you.